Hi, my name is Ezer from 4F. Today I'm going to do the experiment called vitamin C titration. The purpose of this experiment is to find out which fruit has the most vitamin C. My test subjects will be pineapple, bell pepper, guava, chili, orange, lemon, grape, and broccoli. I will also need a blender, cornstarch, iodine, filter paper, a beaker, serum, a flask, and a baguette. Now I will make an orange. I will first cut it. Now it's time to blend it. Now I will pour 40 ml of juice into. Now I will add the cornstarch indicator with the juice. Now I'll pour it into the flask. Then, when I pour the iodine solution from the burette into the juice, you should see the iodine becomes colorless because it reacts with the vitamin C. But when all the vitamin C and iodine are merged, the cornstarch indicator will kick in, reacts with the excess iodine, and turn the juice into a dark color. We will record the iodine used and be able to calculate the amount of vitamin C in the food. Now I'm going to do the pineapple. This is the pepper bell. Now we're gonna do the guava. Now we're gonna try chili because there's a myth that chili has the most vitamin C. Now we are going to put the results into the computer and analyze them. Here's the results. First place, guava. Second place, pepper bell. Third place, oranges. Fourth place, pineapple. Fifth place, lemon. Sixth place, broccoli. Seventh place, chili pepper. And eighth place, grape. The results were unexpected because I thought grape would come in first place. But it was actually last place, and it was 1/3 of what orange had. And I also thought that guava would come in 6th place, but it was actually 1st place, and it had 4 times the amount of vitamin C than orange. I also thought that the vegetables would have less vitamin C than fruits. But it was not true because pepper bell came in 2nd place and it had more than most of the fruits. Broccoli also had more than grape. My last observation is that the hand press gets more vitamin C than the blender. Thank you for watching. Bye.